Hey guys, dumelang. Welcome back to Everything Entertainment. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I will really appreciate it. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be speaking about Operation Dudula being taken to court by the foundations or the NGOs of this country. Honestly speaking, I've never seen that coming because of, in my point of view, guys, I was just viewing Operation Dudula as an operation that is literally getting rid of illegal foreigners. Like, these people have been doing the job that the Home Office should be doing, the police should be doing. Shouldn't they be thankful? Like, there's somebody or there's some people who are doing the job for them. The only thing that they think is to take the operation to court. Wow. And for the fact that the court really took it to consideration, Kuti, like, okay, fine, they must be on the stand. What the heck? The country we live in today literally will always be in the side of foreign nationals. Like, I just see it, honestly speaking. But without rambling too much, guys, I'm gonna post a video here and I'll put the rest of my commentary.
Denial of their human rights, especially when you've got the blocking of basic services. What do you make of this discussion?
Hi, Naledi, and everyone. Today when I was listening at this Dudula case, basically there shouldn't be even a case to even begin with. Because right now, what South Africans are experiencing, it's uncalled for. And we have seen the movement, human rights movement, fighting for illegal foreigners in South Africa without even caring or understanding the impact of what the people are crying about. For instance, we have been experiencing a lot of children that are dying because they bought snacks from spaza shops. Who own those spaza shops?
But there certainly was no data, just a second, there certainly was no data that when we had those spaza shops and the children dying, there was no data that those were all spaza shops that belonged to foreign nationals. That data simply didn't come about.
But we know as the community, because we buy in those spaza shops, we are the ones who go to those spaza shops and buy, and we know who is selling in those spaza shops. We know those people. They can't even speak any South African language. Out of all 11 languages, they can't speak any of those languages properly.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to come back to you because we're giving everyone an equal platform here. Abigail, I'm going to bring you in as the legal analyst here. You listen to the discussion with Zandile, and I mean, there's a somewhat of an admission to say that we know that some of our activities, when we go up to a foreign national and we demand that they show us their documentation, we know that that's unlawful. Talk to me about what you make of that, but also just what is playing out in the High Court, the likelihood that you'll see these civil society organizations succeeding in trying to curb some of the activities of Operation Dudula.
Good evening to you, Naledi, and good evening to everyone in the panel, as well as the viewers of Newsroom Africa. Thank you very much for having me.
Sure.
Well, at the center of everything, Naledi, you'll agree with me that legally speaking, in as much as I understand the sentiments and the social ills that we are confronted with as South Africans, but everything that is done in South Africa should confine itself to the provisions of the law. And anybody that assumes power, particularly if I were to be direct, anybody that acts in a manner that seeks to demand a certain identification, seem to be assuming power that they do not have. Everybody should act on the basis of what they are empowered by the law to do so. And Operation Dudula, in as much as they have admitted in this platform that they do confront people demanding identification, that act that is not covered legally and there's no basis upon which they can take it upon themselves to confront people. In South Africa, there are institutions that are mandated legally to deal with certain things. So for them to assume certain power from where I'm sitting, they are acting ultra-virus and they are conducting actions that may be deemed, and from where I'm sitting, they are unlawful, as they've admitted. And to be direct to your question, Naledi, I think what is coming to play in the High Court, particularly on this matter, the applicants are seeking something that would be deemed to be a certain level of protection from the court, to say we should protect our rights. South Africa is also a signatory to international instruments that seeks to protect legal and human rights. So in that court, what is coming into play, the applicants are saying, in as much as we are here in South Africa and we originate particularly in other countries, but the rights in the Bill of Rights as well are the rights that we should enjoy. The law should be, everyone in South Africa should be protected by the law and enjoy such protection. So what is coming into play here is it's a group of individuals who seem to be acting outside what the legal prescripts give them power to do.
Yeah, I think the key, perhaps, focus of the discussion is going to be really what sort of limitations there are to activism, community activism. And
so as you guys have seen from the video, guys, you guys can see Kuti, like, it's going down. Operation Dudula has indeed been taken to court because of he is fighting against illegal foreigners. So the NGOs of this country believe that Operation Dudula is being xenophobic towards foreign nationals, which is something that is not new, because of, like, they always throw the xenophobic words very loosely when South Africans are trying to regain their country back, when South Africans are trying to fight for what's theirs. Like, for me, it does not make sense. Like, how are you doing that? I know they are saying, Kuti, like, there are people suitable for that job. We get it, and I understand it. But what if those people are not doing anything about it? And we can see, Kuti, like, our country is being destroyed by illegal foreigners. Like, guys, wow. So we must just watch, just watch, Kutila. Oh my gosh, the same country that our grandfathers and grandmothers fought for, it is literally going down the drain. No, we cannot do that, guys. I just feel like at this point, South Africans should be behind Operation Dudula, because of, like, the operation at this point need us so much, because of, you can see, like, the NGOs, they are working overtime. So now one thing about them, they will use their lesson to fight against South Africans. They will literally do that to protect illegal foreigners. Wow. This is crazy. Where were they when we needed them the most? Talk of situation, guys. We needed support from these people, but they were nowhere to be found. Right now, we have GBV, we have high crime rate, we have high unemployment rate. Where are they? Are they even touching on that? No, they are not. But once you utter your words speaking about illegal foreigners in this country, the things that they do, you will see them being in court, coming against you. Wow. Guys, this is crazy. And for the fact that the court really took that to consideration, could like, okay, fine, Operation Dudula need to be on stand for that. That is so diabolical to me. It's crazy business. Wow, guys. Nah, I really do not know. Honestly speaking, one thing that I can say right now is for South Africans to really be with Operation Dudula, because of they need at the most. We have seen the work that they've been doing and it's benefiting South Africans. So the only thing that we can do right now, because of everything is in a court right now, there's nothing that we can do. Our hands are tied. We should just give them support so that they can continue to do what they do, because of this is our country, Sana. We cannot watch these people do this. These people have another country to go to. Tomorrow when South Africa is demolished, tomorrow when South Africa is literally down the drain, these people are going to pack their bags and go back to their home countries. What about us, South Africans? Does the court even consider that? Yo, oh, what's on bad? Guys, please comment down below what you guys think about this video, guys. Do you think it is fair for the NGOs of the foundations of this country to literally take Operation Dudula to court? For what? They are saying that he's been xenophobic. I don't see anything xenophobic about this. The men or the people, they are literally doing the job of the Home Affairs and the police of this country. Wow. But guys, please comment down below what you guys think about this video, guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.